Hi, today we are going to discuss about how to log in with into Blue Prism. What all the components is available in Blue Prism. We will see that. Once you install Blue Prism into your machine, you can able to see this icon. You can able to see it here, right? This icon. So you need to double click on this. Once you double click, then it will ask you username and password. We need to give username and password. After giving the username and password, you need to click on sign in. So once we sign in, then you can able to observe this here, the Blue Prism. This is the default things. So this is the complete the Blue Prism tool. If you observe here, now say this home, studio, control room, analysis and release and system manager. You can able to see system manager here, right? So these are the components by default it will be available. Now here the same thing, so you can able to see it here, the home, studio, control room, analysis and then release and system manager. Here when it is coming to the home, it's a just overview of your Blue Prism tool. So what are the workforce availability, total automation and then queues and then the database tables, what are the things we have used, we can able to see it here. Most of the time you are going to work with studio component here. Observe the studio. When you click on the studio, so you can able to see basically two things. One is process studio and then one is object studio. We will go through this in the next sessions. And then control room. So once you created any process here, if you want to deploy, if you want to run it into a server, then we need to work with a control room. Most of the time control room we can able to deploy the process and then to schedule the process we will use the control room. And then here we have analytics. This is for reporting purpose. And then release this one, so you can use this for release files. We can call it as a versioning kind of thing. We can create a packages and then we can release the packages from one platform to one platform, like development to testing to the production. And then we have system manager. Observe this one, system manager, right? In the system manager most of the admin kind of activities we will use, and then we can create a work queues and then we can create a users and then licensing, all these things, credentials, all these things we can able to work with this system manager. So these are the overview of a Blue Prism tool. In next session we will see how to work with a Blue Prism, how to create a process, how to create a folder process and how to run the process.